Welcome to the Red House on Canyon Lake. We're on the south side of Canyon Lake in Astro Hills. This is a gorgeous location directly on Canyon Lake. And come on in, take a look around this beautiful home. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Take a look at the kitchen here. We've got the kitchen, living room, dining room. And in a minute, we'll head on back to the bedrooms. So coming on in from the kitchen dining room area, you come on down this hallway and we've got a bathroom here. So this is a guest bathroom. It does have a tub shower combo. Then you've got a bedroom here on the right hand side and another bedroom right there on the right hand side as well. Laundry room is right here on the left hand side of the hallway. And then we'll go down this hallway in a minute. I'll take you to the master bedroom right here on the left hand side. Come on. So now we're down at the end of the hall. We're in the master bedroom with the ensuite bathroom. The master has a queen size bed. It's got lots of windows letting in natural light as well as patio doors going straight out to Canyon Lake. And the bathroom with shower tub combo ensuite is right here. Next, we'll take a look at that gorgeous view. So come on, let's take a look at that. So you come out the glass sliding doors from the living room. Come on out to this beautiful deck and imagine relaxing and enjoying your evening right here directly on Canyon Lake. Take a look at this gorgeous view. This house has the most amazing sunset view and a walkway that takes you right down to the water directly on Canyon Lake.